Jowers from Refresh and Style. So I am working on a project today that literally makes my heart happy when I get up in the morning, because I know that I can use my talent and my love and my support and what drives me every day to help a woman in need. So we have a fabulous woman that she has suffered the loss of her husband, which can be a really hard time just in general. But when you stop and think about like getting rid of their stuff, or so even sorting through their stuff or opening those drawers, it's memories, it's emotions. So much comes out, and it's just not something that you want to tackle alone. And when it comes to like literally saying like, this is his closet, this is his belongings, and he's no longer here, it's too hard to do it by yourself. And you just don't know the proper steps to take. When I first came in here and did a home assessment with her, she said, I don't even want to tackle this. I don't even want to get rid of anything. I'm not ready. And I understand there's so much emotions involved, but I am going to challenge that, because it's better to do it with somebody than to do it alone. So we're going to actually work through this process and go through his belongings together and see what she can part with. And my two suggestions when doing a space like this is, number one, start decluttering in a different place of your house that's not emotional. So we're going to start in the kitchen. We're going to start with her clothes in here in this closet that she said she didn't have anything to get rid of. And we all know what happens when you tell Nicole that. So we're going to start in the least sentimental areas of the home, and then we're going to move to the emotional attachments. We're going to take the stuff out. We're going to go through item by item, and I'm going to support her. I am going to be her cheerleader, and I'm also going to give her some guidance. So what stuff really, really, really do you deeply cherish? What has a story? What has a memory? What has a smell? What has something that you want to hold on to? Have a box, keep those items. Have another box that you can actually use those to make something out of an item, possibly like a shirt or a board or a picture or something like that, or a blanket. And then the other one is what's going to be to donate. And I've partnered with local charities in the area, so it's much easier to get rid of something when you know that all of your loved one's stuff is going to go bless someone who doesn't have anything, rather than just getting rid of it and throwing in the trash. So we are going to work together. We are going to go through these emotions together, and we are going to make moves, and we are going to bond, because it's a bonding process, and that's what it's all about. So join us as we go on this adventure together, and I cannot wait to hug her and give her support and the love that she needs today. So we were able to work through all of these closet spaces, and she did amazing. She now has another closet that she's keeping for herself. We moved her coats in here, her dresses, she's got her shoes at the bottom, and then we have a color-coded closet of her own. So we were able to lighten the load on all of these purses. All of her long sleeve stuff is here in color-coded order, and then she's also got, we're gonna get matching velvet hangers, but I did make her get rid of all the plastic ones. So these are all color-coded by tank top, t-shirt, and then she's got her shoes here, and then we were able to work through all those emotional attachments and give her two closets that she can be proud of. And we have a special surprise that's going to be happening with all of the special clothes of her husband that's passed away. And she's got her bin of sentimental stuff she's holding on to. And I have 2 cars full of donations from this session. So if you are looking for, help getting rid of those emotional attachment things because of a lost loved one, it's hard, it's emotional, but I am here to give you that love and support and those hugs and those prayers as you need them, so it can make this process a wonderful one. Like, it has to be a wonderful one. It's a part of the closure, it's a part of your process, and it's a part of the grieving process as well. So I'm able to come in and help you do that and tie it all together so you can actually transition your spaces and get through it. So we didn't have a lot of tears, and she was super strong, and I was glad I could be her strength for that today. So we had a fabulous session today, and we got so much accomplished. First, we started in her closet because it's the least sentimental. You want to make sure you're starting out with the stuff that you don't have an emotional attachments to, and she worked really quick, and she knew how to make decisions in here fast. That mattered. How did it feel to get rid of some of your clothes in here, and do you like all the color coding in here?
I can't get over the color coding. That was an unexpected delight, truthfully, and never have I had that.
And
ever.
what did we learn about the plastic hangers today? Plastic hangers are what?
Not worth our time.
They had to go. So we have 2 full trash bags of the plastic hangers that are gone. We have color coding.
I am worthy of a velvet hanger.
She is worthy of a
I am
velvet
worthy
hanger.
of yeah.
And then we actually went through all of her purses. When I first came in here, she said all of those were keepers. We didn't even need to take those down. So we took them all down, and they're all in the donation pile, and that is what left. So she has a little boutique in here that she can be proud of. She has shoes that all fit here. And then the reason we were here is to give emotional support to something really hard and emotional. So we were actually going into her husband that has passed away in this closet, during the home assessment, she did not think that we could even touch this, and she told me no. I told her I would help her, I would hug her, I would pray with her, and get through that process. And let me go over here and show you. She now has another closet full of her belongings. We did keep a couple of his things that are in with hers because now they are part of her collection. How did you feel that compared to what you thought this was going to be to how the process ended?
Incredible. I did not want to open these doors today.
Yeah.
I didn't want to open the doors, and we did it. We did it.
You did it.
We did it. We did it.
And it went awesome. And now how do you feel? Refreshed?
Amazing.
And ready? So I'm going to come back for another day because I've started in half the house. We have to finish it. And I've made a friend for life, and she's amazing. If you are looking for me to help you in those emotional journeys that you're taking, you can check me out on Facebook and Instagram. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a beat or a basket or an organizing session.